in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create our partition on your Windows 10 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. It's something that you guys should know how to do. And we're going to go about how to do it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search icon down in your taskbar and type in computer management. Best result should go back with computer management listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. Select disk management underneath storage. And now select whatever disk you want to partition. So let's just say our C drive in our case here. We're going to right click on it and we're going to select where it says shrink volume. You're going to enter in the size you want this new partition to be. Let's just say 100 megabytes and we're going to select shrink. And once that's done, you right click on this newly created unallocated space and select new simple volume. Select next. Select next again. You can change the drive letter in here as well, as long as it's not being currently used on the computer. And once that's done, go ahead and select next. And you can name this whatever you want. You could call it flash drive, movies, it doesn't really matter. And go ahead and select next. And then select finish. And then once that's done, you should get an autoplay pop-up saying that the drive is being recognized and what do you want to do with it. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.